My dear brothers and sisters, there is a certain movement that our readings would like to suggest to us. What is within can greatly affect outside, or shall we say what is without. Ano man ang nasa kaibuturan ay may malaking apekto o makakaapekto sa labas o sa kalabasan. Today we reflect the second chapter of the book of Genesis with the second story of creation, the second story of the creation of man. And one striking action of which was when God formed a clay from the earth and breathed unto it. Matapos buuin ang lupa, hiningahan ito ng Diyos at nagkaroon ng buhay at nagkaroon ng tao. Life was effected. Life was given. But on the one hand, there's this strong warning of Jesus. He even enumerated the following things that maybe is alive within us. Evil thoughts, malice, murder, theft, unchastity, and the like. They come from within and they effect negative and bad actuations that can cause destruction and harm to others. God from within gave life. On the one hand, Jesus warns us, what comes from within can also take away life. From within, God gave life. On the one hand, from within as well, we can also destroy life. My dear brothers and sisters, we all know that we have thoughts and matters from within. When there is awe and beauty from within, we can easily express affirmations and even good words, at magiging masaya ang madaming tao. But let us also face that a lot would have negativities and even toxicities within. And with that, we express and cause harm to others. And they experience lifelessness and even wounds that they can hear from us. That is why, let us be careful on what is going on within us. We might have those toxicities and negativities that can take away life. But let us all the more do our best that we also give life. What comes from within us may give life and not kill a life. Every day is a chance to express what is within us. Within us that will not kill life, will not destroy hearts, and would not even slash happiness from others. Rather, choose what will give life to others, what will make them happy, what will make them alive, and what will make them valuable. We have something from within, and may all of these not kill life, but always give life.